Open a spa salon for pets. Arrange a dog date or a stylish pet photo shoot. And easily clean up after your cat. With our life hacks, taking care of your pets will become a lot easier and way more fun. Playing with pets is great fun, except that they have way too much energy. And I can't do it any longer. Let's make a special toy. Hot glue a few colored feathers together and tie them to a helium-filled balloon. Kitty loves playing with the new toy, and I have a lot of time to run my errands. This cat is ready to run all day long. Kitty has a fit body for a reason. Playing with a dog is such a pure satisfaction, but only if the dog managed to brush its teeth. Let's make a special brush in order to take care of your dog's oral hygiene. Cut the top off an old children's toothbrush and glue it to the forefinger of a rubber glove. Put the Wonder Glove on, squeeze a drop of toothpaste, and brush your dog's teeth while playing with it. Frou-Frou is happy. First of all, a toothbrush is a great toy for teeth. And secondly, her fiancé Benedict will love his bride's fresh breath. You can cover your pet's favorite toy with toothpaste. Cover a toy with toothpaste and give it to your dog. Frou-Frou can crunch on her favorite toy all day long. It's so nice when we can kill two birds with one stone. Play and take care of teeth. Bad breath doesn't bother us anymore. Oh, why does Kitty hate the sofa so much? She wants to leave traces of her selfless love and a few claw marks. I use a life hack with a special product so that my furniture doesn't look like the victim of a stabbing. Pour water into a bottle with a sprayer. Add liquid soap and a few drops of citrus essential oil. Close the bottle and mix the contents. I apply this product to my furniture, and now I can keep calm. My sofa won't endure any claws ever again. Our kitty leads a healthy lifestyle. She moves a lot and really likes green plants. Except that the plant is not really happy about it. It can't last a long time with a fan like Kitty. We need to find a stunt double for it as soon as possible. Let it be a DIY. Hot glue cardboard rolls together. Cut a foam plastic tube at an angle and hot glue it to the cardboard base. Shape foil into a semi-sphere and cover the tops of the rolls. Wrap thick green rope around the paper stem. Cut flowers of different sizes from pink felt. Attach them to make a big flower and hot glue it to the cactus. Put some sand into a flower pot. Put in the cactus and decorate the ground with stones. Kitty doesn't understand where her favorite plant is. It's on a well-deserved vacation, and Kitty has a new friend instead. This is an artificial cactus, and it can live through a lot. This cactus can easily endure all of Kitty's love, and cat claws do no harm at all. Not only girls love going to beauty salons. We're opening a new spa salon for pets and their owners. Now we will have all the beauty treatments in one place. A stylish makeover waits for Frou-Frou, a wonderful collar that will emphasize her exquisite neck. Cut a turn-down collar from pink felt. Hot glue satin ribbons to the sides. Decorate the collar with rhinestones and a unicorn decor. Slightly gather tulle of a suitable shade and hot glue it to the other edge of the collar. Frou-Frou dresses up for a reason. She has to be particularly beautiful and dressed up today because she has a hot date with the most eligible dog bachelor in the park. Don't worry, Frou-Frou. Now you can be a cover model for the fashion magazine Dog Vogue. Here he is, the most eligible bachelor in the entire dog circle. He's a participant of the TV show Dog Bachelor, and just a handsome boy. This is Sir Benedict III, and he steals the heart of our hard-to-get Frou-Frou. No wonder! Just take a look at his stylish bow tie. Cut a bow tie out of felt and make the same one from a glittering foam rubber sheet. Attach the pieces together and tie it with a thread in the middle. Cover the thread with a piece of felt and decorate it with a rhinestone. Attach satin ribbon so that you can tie it. Benedict met Frou-Frou on the dating app Dogface, and since then he can't stop thinking about Frou-Frou. But what if Frou-Frou doesn't like Benedict? Benny is so anxious. There are just a few minutes left before Frou-Frou comes. And here she is! Frou-Frou is shy and tries to look away like an actual lady. Frou-Frou can't give away her feelings. And Benedict can't take his eyes off of his elegant girlfriend. Oh, this dog romance! This is only the beginning of the love story. There are 3 things you can watch forever: fire, water, and a sleeping cat. Kitty is sleeping tight after all those games. I can take a perfect photo for her Instagram account. Her look needs a cute hat. Cut a sleeve and a cuff off an old sweater. Tie the top edge and carefully loosen up the threads to make a pom-pom. Put the hat on the sleeping cat carefully. Can it be any cuter? Sleeping Kitty will get hundreds of likes for sure. She's just a sleeping beauty of the animal world. We will also put a toy near her. She's certainly the cutest cat in the whole universe now. The cat suspiciously ran out of the room, and I smell something strange afterwards. It's crystal clear now. I will have to clean the litter box. This is not the most satisfying thing to do, but if you want to have fewer problems, use our life hack. Cover a litter box with a garbage bag. Add litter on top. Just take the bag away when you have to clean the litter box. Everything stays in the bag. Now you can quickly and easily clean a litter box. The furniture doesn't stand a chance against Cat's claws. Kitty sharpens her claws with the new stand again. Let's prepare a special scratching mat for Kitty. Draw a cat head on thick cardboard and draw a long rectangle near it. Draw one more rectangle, but it should be slightly shorter. Cut out the pieces. Hot glue 2 rectangles. Color the cardboard with acrylic paints. Add a muzzle on the cat face. Wrap natural rope around the rectangle. Fasten it with hot glue at the edges. Make paws from colored felt. Hot glue them to the scratching mat and attach a loop to the back side. Hang the scratching mat on the stand. Now Kitty has its own scratching zone, and she's not interested in furniture anymore. Who said that cats and pandas don't get along? Any stylish cat will love our fur accessory. Cut one side of a square piece of decorative fur to make a semicircle. Make a long cut on the opposite side. Hot glue the edges so that they overlap. Make ears from little pieces of fur. Cut details for ears from black felt. Hot glue them. Fasten the ears to the hat. Cut a black rope in half. Make ties from it. Cover one end of the rope with fur. Shape a fluffy pom-pom. hot glue the other end to the hat. What can be cuter than a cat with a panda hat on? But it will last right until the cat wakes up. It would be better just to run in this case, because Kitty turns everything into a toy for her claws. But it's totally different with Frou Frou. She really admires fur fashion. Her panda look will definitely be a hit on Instagram. Let's arrange an actual pet photo shoot. Frou Frou will feel like a model. Cut small squares and rectangles out of thick white paper. Paint dog eyes on the strips and paint muzzles on the squares. Attach them to bamboo skewers. Make a few funny accessories for a dog photo shoot. Place funny faces onto your dog's muzzle. Frou Frou tries on different looks. It seems like this smile looks good on her, and if the model doesn't like the dog nose, then the owner will have it instead. Did you like our life hacks for pets? Then write in the comments which pets you have and which life hacks you will use. And don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you don't miss new life hacks on Troom Troom.